Alright, what's up you guys? Hi, where's Sandro? There's Sandro in the kumot. Nandito kami ngayon sa Viewscape Nature Park. Ayan, dito sa may Tanay Rizal. It's our second time being here. But today is a little different. It's a different setup kasi tonight dito kami mag-sleep. Ayan. We just set up yung aming camp for tonight. Ayan, ito yung aming tent. It's our first time actually setting it up, or for me it's our first time pitching a tent, so it was an interesting experience. Salamat din kay Nicole. Nicole! Sama namin si Nicole. Ayan. So tinulungan tayo ni Nicole mag-pitch ng tent, and syempre si Kay. We arrived here around 4:30ish, and then we've started setting up at around 5 p.m. and natapos kami ng mga after 20 minutes or 30 minutes yata yun. Pero yeah, it was a great experience. Naitayo naman namin ng matiwasay. Coming here, you just have to reserve a slot through their Facebook page. So it's gonna cost you 250 per head for overnight, tapos 500 pesos for tent pitching. You guys can waste your way through here. Okay naman yung daan. May kaunting rough road papasok dito, but manageable. You just have to be really careful and choose your spots and pick the good sections of the rough road para hindi kayo mabala or hindi kayo malubog ng gusto, especially for us na medyo maliit yung cars. Alright, so guys are seeing it's not a cult. And then nandito kami sa bonfire area. Yan, kumuha kami ng bonfire. So if you guys are also interested in a setup like this, yung may bonfire sa tabi ng tent, you guys can just talk to them. Na-offer naman nila to for 150. Isang bugkos na siya ng kakahuyan. Tapos sila na mag-riringas niyan for you guys. Alright. Andro, what's this?
Fire.
Fire. Hi Sandro, are you happy?
Apa.
Apa. Because you're in
In the chair.
the chair. Are you in the mountains?
Apa.
Anong tawag dito?
Fire.
Say bonfire.
Bonfire.
Bonfire. Yan. So dinner time na kami. We got ourselves some chicken. Pinili namin sa studio. Babe. Hi. Sabi mo, eat na po.
Eat na po.
Hi. Kain na.
Let's eat.
Alright.
Bye.
Bye. Alright, so dito kami ngayon sa aming Stop! May makulit na bata. Sumbong kita sa police. You want?
No.
No.
We're on the tent.
You're on the tent?
Apa.
What are you doing inside the tent?
I'm playing car.
Playing cars. Ayan. So meron kaming queen size airbed dito. Yung kami. Meron kaming double mattress dun sa gilid. How many cars do you have?
Two po.
2 po. Alright.
See you tomorrow, guys.
I'll sleep now.
I sleep now.
Good night.
Good night.
Guys, morning. Just watched the sunrise. Woke up early, 5 a.m. It was a comfortable sleep. Sobrang lamig, grabe. Say hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Time to prepare breakfast, make some coffee, yeah, I'll tour you guys kung paano yung setup natin. Let's go. Alright, so here we are. Setup tayo. Alright, we got fire. What are you making?
Coffee.
Coffee?
Coffee.
Tayo, kape. Hangga. Good morning.
Smell mo.
Smell nyo. Uy. Breakfast is cooked. Okay na tayo. Nakaluto na guys. Nakapagkape na. Nakapag-noodles na. Time for breakfast. Yes sir. Alright, that about wraps up our camping trip here in Viewscape Nature Park. Medyo dumami na yung tao because it's the long weekend, but still all good. Hopefully this is just one of the many camping adventures that we're gonna be able to do as a family. So watch out for those videos. Watch out for those new camping trips. And if you guys have any questions, as always, we'll be happy to answer them for you. Just leave them in the comment section below. You know, camping items, saan nabili, what's the size, and all that stuff. As a beginner, syempre, we'd like to share our knowledge about how we began this journey also. I think that's for the next video, next few ones. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. And as always, leave no trace. Bago na. Good vibes all the way, guys. Peace.